Hey guys, check out my seedlings. Let's get them in the garden.
So the birds came and ripped up my plants. I picked out a few to come plant. In the amount of time it took for me to walk up there and get the wheelbarrow and bring it back down, they ripped up 3 of them. Little brats. I don't mind sharing, but you can't have it all. Hey guys, welcome back to Delaware Acre. Out here in the garden today. Kids are at baseball practice. Hubby went with them so I could come out and garden a little bit. I planted a few more things and forgot to film it. So I came out to check it today because I threw down in the garden yesterday. And I came back out to check on my little squash plants. I put these cages around my little seedlings to try to keep the bunnies from eating them. But something got to this one. Oh no, this one, something ate it and it shriveled up. And then this one, something ate that one. That guy's doing all right. And then, look at that. There's bird poop in there and it was trying to eat my little seedling. Those 2 are doing all right. And then I come over here. These 2 are okay, but this one is completely gone. Beans made it through the night. Surprised something didn't try to eat them. Then I was gifted some cantaloupe seedlings, so I threw those in. Those made it through the night, but look at this one. I just walked out here and a bird flew out from in there eating it as we speak. So it's game on. I don't like to do this. I don't like to use this kind of netting because I know birds can get stuck in it and it's plastic, but I put it over my strawberries already and I guess I'm gonna have to just wrap each one individually. And I always get interrupted by a plane. Don't ever live by an airport, people. Not even if it's a small private one. By vey. I have some more of this netting and I'm just gonna wrap it on the top. I guess I'm just gonna have to do each one. So one piece can stretch out pretty far. I know, well, you're forcing me to do this. What do you think? Try it. I may have to invest in some more clothespins. I brought twisty ties. I thought maybe I could twisty tie it on there too. I'm sure they make something for this, but I already have this stuff here. So just use what I got, right? I don't know, can birds lift this up and get in there? We'll see. Okay, this is much easier to do with clothespins. I thought twisty ties would be good, but nope, this is so much easier. And again, stuff that I already have. There's another airplane. Now this won't stop little critters from getting in there, just birds. So hopefully this works. Hopefully something else doesn't come and eat them. I have to replant that one. That was a rampicante, which I don't think I have any more of. Oh, I do. So I'm gonna replant that. So when I planted this yesterday, I put some alpaca poop in there. Oh, the roots, they just eat just the top. But I do have more. Good thing we started extra, right? This is why I don't direct sow them too, because something always comes and eats them as soon as they pop up. So, I have my little tag here. I'll put my cage back in. I'm trying to water my garden as I'm doing this too, so keeping an eye on the hose. We have had like the driest spring I think ever. We haven't had rain, I don't know, 2 weeks, and we're not projected to get any more rain for another 2 weeks. There's like a 30% chance this weekend, but you know when the rain comes, it's after you water the garden. Uh-oh, I cut this one too small? I might have. There we go. Alrighty. Also, these little birds want to play hardball. Stick a stick in each corner. And I tucked it underneath here so that they can't try to lift it up and get my goods. So you want to find a stick that's small enough to fit in there. One good thing about this, the chip drop sticks, I guess. I kind of dug it into the ground a little bit when I put them in, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. A sunflower right there in the middle. I need to cover that up. And then I'm already out of clothespins, so I'll have to go get some more clothespins. These birds are circling. Just gonna weave this in. See if they come back. You guys, I did a thing. Don't tell Vince. Planted a pumpkin outside the garden in the blackberry patch. Had one left, so threw it in the ground. Let's see how the plants did. That one's still there. That one's still there. They must have got in this one somehow. How'd they get in there? Oh, look at that. Must have been how they got in. I'll replant that one again or through there. That one's still there. Look, the little suckers got in there. That one's still good. That one's still good. Let's see. That one's still there. That one's still there. Oh, that one's still there. Oh. That one's still there. It got in there. Look at that. Gone. Hey. Let's see. That one's still there. Put one on both sides of the blackberry patch. Let's see. There's our secret one. That one's still there. Huh, interesting. Oh, look. And that one's still there. Haven't found this little sunflower yet, so. All right, I guess I got a few things to fix. There's my dad watering the garden for me. Man who started it all.
Okay guys, thanks for watching me battle the birds here in the garden. I'll keep you posted throughout the season. And until the next video, wish me luck. Hope you're well. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.